Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is courage. It's time to stand up and to be counted. Are you ready? And if you came this far, I know you are. It's time to take a deep breath, move forward, and become the best because you are the best. You didn't come this far to stop, to be resentful, to second guess or doubt yourself. No, you came to perform and you came to change the world. I'm stronger than any fear and bigger than any doubt. I am the light and I remain the light for the world. I trust in God and I stand tall before the test of life. Therefore, I grow and become wiser. Through every challenge, I become stronger. Therefore, I can maintain bigger blessings. Spirit wants to bless you in a mighty way. So continue to have the courage to build up that strength and be ready to receive. I am the being of new life. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.